today's video I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges of your HP Officejet Pro 8024 all-in-one printer. Now the first step is to switch on the printer, open the front door and also open the ink cartridge chamber door. Lift it up until it holds itself. You will see the ink cartridges has arrived in the middle, so simply go to that section. To remove the ink cartridges, press the lock and take the ink cartridge out. So it's very easy. You simply have to do like this. To install the new ink cartridge, place it in its position and press it down. You will see the alphabets and the color, so just match accordingly. Once we install them, simply press the ink cartridge chamber door down and it will close itself. Also close the front door. Go to the display panel in case you want to see the details here. It will update in case any error. Otherwise you will see the normal screen within few seconds and then you are ready for the printing again. Thanks for watching.